Yo, I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Pisces, we're back with another one for you, another one for us, right? Including myself. It's going to be a 3 card draw, ain't going to hold you long. Hey, yo. Cards are out here already. I did not bamboozle you. We're starting with what is this? The 8 of Wands in reverse, followed by the Queen of Cups, followed by the Ace of Swords reversed. Now what's happening here is there's a message of good news that you're awaiting. This is twofold. It's a message of good news that you're waiting for, and there's a message of good news that you're also waiting to send out and deliver. You almost sent this message out, I would say prematurely because you didn't, but you almost sent it out early. And not for nothing, the only reason you could have sent it out early is because it's not that it wasn't confirmed. The universe confirmed it. You confirmed it. You know it was a good news and everything. Opportunity for others is what I'm picking up on heavy. But you still held it back because you're really sitting in this throne of the Queen of Cups right now. Like, really. So, you know your creativity is at top-notch level right now. Elite level right now. And you know intuitively that what you are about to announce is going to change the game profoundly. Whatever industry you're in, even whatever relationship you're in, whatever you're about to say is going to be boss because you already did it. It's already complete. But there's many things that you can do. There's many messages that you can send out right now. It's not just one thing. It's many-fold. But you got this intuitive hunch to pause and pump the brakes on sending one of those messages because you thought to yourself, well, I'm in a compassionate time in my life. I'm actually wanting to help someone do something. But I don't necessarily want to offer up this information to someone I feel will squander it, or someone who I feel is not worthy of it, or someone that I feel does not need it, or at least they behave and they carry it like they don't need it, or they don't need it from me. You know, you get that type of feeling I'm feeling for some of y'all as well, that just because it's you, they don't want it, or just because it's you, they don't want to talk, or just because it's you, they don't want to do that thing, right? So they'll have other conversations with you. But if you offered your help, your assistance, and of course, I feel special interest is at play as well. So this is not like just no, oh yeah, I want to give you this thing. It's just like, no, I'm going to set you up so you could set me up. You win, so I win. It's a win-win situation. But just because it's you, they don't want to do it. You're very sharp and very aware that these things can transpire and you're tired of disappointment. So you're really just sitting on your throne. Sitting on your throne, but still feeling compassionate. Keeping a real sharp eye out for the person or the people that this discovery that you have can change their lives profoundly. That they're qualified to take the action and make the decision once they do this. And also vice versa. Once you get, because people are, how should I say it? There's delayed news coming your way as well. People are delaying news in your social environment as well. Maybe they're picking up on the same thing. Maybe they're seeing what you choose to do, because this Ace of Swords out here being in reverse is showing me that a decision is being delayed. You're delaying a decision. So some people in your environment, or, you know, in your energetic environment, are probably delaying as well because they see you delaying. So they like, well, if they don't bust a move, I ain't busting a move. And until Pisces busts a move, I ain't busting a move. But when they bust a move, I'm going to be right there busting a move. You understand what I'm saying? But what I'm also seeing here is that, again, this Queen of Cups, you're sitting on your throne. The longer you sit on your throne and you delay your message, the faster that the other messages are going to come in regardless. You get what I'm saying? So it's only going to be but so long that they can hold out with the information that you actually need as well to make the decision to say, okay, you know what? Well, I'm going to put them on to this because they did X, Y, and Z. They're showing you without you asking them. That's the new way now. That's the new way to success now. It's like you can't offer the information to these people because they take it for granted, B. They leave you disappointed time and time again, and it's better that they don't know until it's time to know. So this is called need to know basis. It's on a need to know basis. And you build up their accountability and their qualifications for the position that you're going to put them in based upon the information that they feed you, the messages that they send you. You boss right now. I'm just keeping it a bean. I mean, look. And like I said, this is a special interest thing. You understand what I'm saying? So it's not like you, how should I say it? Mother Teresa out this bitch. Nah. You know damn well that you're going to benefit from them benefiting off of this proposition. But that's the whole point. That's the whole point. And if they feel that they too high and mighty and above, or just like I said, it ain't even, what I'm feeling with some of your connections, it ain't even that deep. It's just, nah, I can't let them win. I can't let them win me or win me over by cooperating with you. I know how it sounds because you've been disappointed before. I know what this sounds like, but I'm just putting you on a game. So continue to be patient, but continue to also be creative. Keep creating and keep being silent, using your intuition, and keep that compassionate nature in those gestures about you, especially in this time. Don't let disappointment sour you out and keep you refraining from giving someone or some people the opportunity. If you got to keep sitting on it to keep those opportunities fresh, keep on doing it and create in the meantime. Those messages are coming. Watch. It's going to be like building a case. You're going to get all of the information that you need to qualify the people that's supposed to be there, that's supposed to get these opportunities. Till next time, I'm out.